मायनिंग सुरू जाल्ल्यान 10 दशलक्ष खणमालाची हाताळणी, खणमालाची वाहतूक, टर्मिनलाचेर खताची हाताळणी, स्टील कॉयलाची निर्यात, चुनखडी आयात आणि अमेरिकेकडल्यान पीक आयर्नाचे वाडटे मागणेक लागून एमपीडीचे बरे दीस येतले, कशें खण उद्देगा कडेन संबंधित स्टेक होल्डर सांगतात. ऐकात.
Mining blocks have been started, so we are giving reverse options of unloading the cargo at our berth in barges. Then we are trying to load the same cargo into vessels, which the turnaround will be around 48 hours of the vessel, which the handover usually takes for 8 to 10 days. Besides, we are planning for a fertilizer cargo. We are already in touch with some of the clients for fertilizer, and we are trying to pack the cargo inside the terminal and sell it by rail and road. We are also targeting some imports of limestones and other imports. And also most challenging what we are facing as the Hormuz is closed down. We are expecting our vessels to release once it opens.
Looks like the things will improve going ahead. Now the few mines have started. The Seza has started, Vedanta has started, GSW has started, Fomento has started, and few more mines are expected to start. Some dumps will also start. The going ahead, we will be expect a good volume coming year, at least minimum at least 10 million tons of volume we can expect.
As of current this thing, our fertilizer, this thing is one of our main cargoes. But going forward, we want to tap into other areas where the food grain or any other materials that we could tap into.
I think that I'm still very optimistic. One thing, like I was jokingly telling at the custom house that day, that we are looking at a lot of coastal cargo, and they may see more of conversions of vessels to coastal rather than shipping bills, because JSW is one of the major players and they've taken 60-70% of the mines in Goa. So we'll see a lot of cargo going to the steel mills in terms of coastal cargoes. Another thing which is on the horizon is the pig iron exports have suddenly increased pan-India. This is because of the sudden requirement of US for this cargo. So we are finding that US wants a value added, just instead of iron ore they want pig iron. So pig iron is, I think, the next mantra which we are looking at.
प्रुडंटा खातीर विक्रम नायक.